Hey guys, today I'm going to show you two different ways you can attach cord to your wall hanging to hang it on the wall. If you're enjoying my tutorials, it really helps me out if you could like this video, leave a quick comment, and subscribe. Thanks so much. Let's get started. The first way is to use a constrictor knot on either side of your work to attach a piece of cord. This is the back side of your wall hanging. Bring the cord around the dowel and create an X shape at the back of your work. Bring the cord around your dowel again on the right side of the X, and then pull the cord through the X. Repeat that process, tying another constrictor knot to the other side of your work so that you can hang it from the wall. The second method will create a small loop in the middle of your wall hanging that can be used to hang your work. This is now the front side of your wall hanging. Grab a piece of 3mm string and tie an overhand knot to attach the ends. Simply bring the knot behind your work and then pull the knot through the loop at the front of your work to hang it. If you do not want the knot showing at the front of your work, adjust the string so that you hide the knot at the back of your work. That's it. Thanks so much for watching.